Imagine a workday where complex doesn't mean complicated. Securing high quality to low costs, machining advanced components, difficult grooves with high precision demands, and making it more efficient while maintaining process security, delivering on time, continuous improvements and troubleshooting and... Wait. Pause for a moment. Don't get blinded by the challenges or consumed by chasing quick fixes. Embrace new technology and advance confidently. Tap into the accelerating pace of change with new tooling solutions, fine-tuned to remove machining obstacles in new, efficient ways. Because a new tool is more than an upgrade. It's a gateway to new possibilities. We drive true progress together when innovation meets grounded experience and expert knowledge. It's this winning combination that paves the way to manufacturing wellness, creating value today while gearing up for the future.